It is a beautiful morning in a quiet town today.
Today is a very special day for Tom.
Yay! Today is my birthday! I feel very happy and excited. I cannot believe today is my birthday party day.
Good morning, Tom. Happy birthday, my dear.
Thank you, Mom. I am so excited about my birthday today.
Happy birthday, Tom! You look very happy this morning.
Dad, today will be the best birthday ever, right?
Yes, Tom. Today will be special, and we will celebrate together.
I feel so happy today. I love my birthday morning.
I just got a work call. I need to go out now.
Dad, why do you need to work today?
Today is not my work day, but there is an emergency.
I promise I will hurry back before your party ends.
But today is my birthday. I wanted you here.
I know, Tom. Dad will try to come back soon.
I feel sad now. My birthday feels different today.
Enjoy your party, Tom. I will see you later.
Okay, Dad. I hope you come back soon. I was very happy, but now I feel lonely.
Your friends will arrive soon. Let us get ready together.
I hope Dad comes back before my friends arrive.
That must be your friends. Please open the door.
Happy birthday, Tom! Your house looks so beautiful. This party is fun already. I am feeling hungry now. Can we eat the cake now? It looks very delicious. You only think about cake. My dad is not here yet. I am sorry, Tom. I did not mean to upset you. I do not feel happy anymore. Everything feels wrong today.
Tom, please go to your room and calm down for a moment.
I feel very angry now. Nobody understands how sad I am. Dad is not here on my birthday. That really hurts my heart. Maybe Dad does not care about my birthday anymore. I shouted at my friend. That was not kind or fair. My friend was only hungry. I should not speak like that. I think I was wrong. My feelings made me angry. I need to say sorry to my friend and Mom. Saying sorry is hard, but it is the right thing. I will go back now and try to fix everything. I am sorry, everyone. I said hurtful words earlier.
I was angry and sad because my dad was not here.
I understand now. I did not want to make you upset. I should not shout at you. You did nothing wrong. It is okay, Tom. I forgive you.
I am proud of you, Tom. Saying sorry takes courage.
I feel lighter now. Saying sorry helped my heart. Let us enjoy the party again together. Thank you for understanding me. I feel happy again.
Now let us enjoy this special birthday together.
I hope Dad can still come back before the party ends.
Sometimes surprises happen when we wait patiently, Tom.
Wait, I hear the doorbell. Someone is coming.
Happy birthday, Tom! I came back as fast as possible.
Dad, I missed you so much. I am very happy now.
I am sorry I was late. You are very important to me.
I understand now, Dad. Thank you for coming back. Happy birthday, Tom!
Now the party feels complete!
Make a wish, Tom. Everyone is here with you.
This is the best birthday. I feel loved and grateful.